Hello friends, day 89 and I've had another lazy day today. Quite a bit of road walking today to get across a couple of estuaries, but I did have a lovely long chat with a lady from Latvia who now lives in Dornoch, and we were watching seals and she lent me her binoculars. It was great fun. I have put some footage of the seals in, but it's a bit shaky because they were a fair distance away. I also explored Dornoch itself, which is a nice little town. I'm not sure if it's even maybe a city because it has a cathedral, albeit that it's very small. And a bit of sadness as well in that I have realised, having done the maths, that I am not going to be able to get to Fanny's Meadow this year. Fanny's Meadow is the best music festival. Tiny festival, 500 or 600 people mostly, and it is really brilliant. And the saddest thing of all is that my favourite band in the world, Whiskey Moonface, are playing on the last day, and I really wanted to see them. But as Nigel would say, it's not a race, and I would have to race down there to get there in time. So sadly I will miss Whiskey Moonface and the amazing talent of Louisa Jones and Ewan Bleach and Joe Trudgeon. But if you're in the Somerset area at all and you've got the time, go and see Fanny's Meadow Festival. It's brilliant. Meanwhile, let's have a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. Come on in, pink hat man coming through. Come on, come on. Make way for the pink hat.